What if I told you that gold could have saved your wealth in 2008? And silver could have tripled it in 2011? Sounds like a fantasy, right? But history doesn't lie. Imagine waking up one day and your dollars can't buy what they did yesterday. Inflation's rising, markets are bleeding, and you're left exposed. Unless you play it smart. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to invest in gold and silver, even if you're starting with just $100. Not in some boring lecture kind of way, but in a way that can actually build you real, generational wealth. Because this isn't just about shiny metals, it's about your financial armor. Act 1, the why setup, the reason to care. Create fear and urgency with historical and current context. Gold and silver, humanity's oldest insurance policy. Gold and silver have survived empires, recessions, and revolutions. Fiat currencies? Not so much. The US dollar has lost over 96% of its value since 1913. But gold? It's held strong, and often soared when everything else crashed. Question: if your savings are losing value daily, are you really saving? Inflation, the silent wealth killer. Here's the terrifying part: inflation doesn't knock. It seeps in silently. Your $1,000 today could buy far less tomorrow. But guess what didn't lose value during high inflation in the 70s? That's right, precious metals. Gold went from $35 to over $800. That's a 2,000% gain. Imagine if your Starbucks order inflated like that, $127 for a caramel macchiato? No, thanks. Economic uncertainty. Why now matters. Banks collapsing, global debt ballooning, wars brewing. Doesn't take a PhD in economics to feel something's off. Smart investors aren't panicking, they're preparing. And gold and silver are their financial bunkers. But how do you actually buy them without getting scammed or overpaying? Let's get into it. Act 2, the how the journey begins. Practical, step-by-step guidance with smooth transitions and resets. Physical versus digital. Gold and silver. Physical metals equals control, no counterparty risk. Digital equals convenience, but you better trust the platform. Golden rule: if you don't hold it, you don't own it. But hey, lugging around silver bars isn't exactly TikTok aesthetic. So here's what to do. Buying physical coins, bars, and where to get them. Start small. 1-ounce silver coins like the American Eagle are perfect for beginners. Buy from reputable dealers, APMEX, JM Bullion, or even local coin shops. Avoid Craigslist deals that start with "Yo, you want some gold?" Storing your metals safely. Don't just throw it in your sock drawer. Consider home safe, bolted and fireproof, bank safety deposit boxes, third-party vaulting services. Because what's the point of wealth insurance if it gets misplaced during laundry? Investing through ETFs, GLD, SLV, and others. Want exposure without the hassle? ETFs like GLD, gold, and SLV, silver, mirror metal prices. But be cautious, you're buying paper, not metal. No apocalypse hedge here. This is best for short-term plays, not long-term safety. Dollar cost averaging, the beginner's best friend. Don't try to time the market, buy consistently, like $50 a month. This flattens out price volatility and builds your stack slowly but surely. Think of it like gym reps, consistency beats intensity. Understanding premiums, why you pay more than spot. Spot price isn't the price you pay. Premiums equals dealer profit plus minting costs. For example, silver may trade at $25, but you'll pay $28, $30 per coin. The smaller the piece, the higher the premium. So how do you avoid overpaying and maximize return? Best times to buy gold and silver. Contrary to what TikTok tells you, it's not during hype cycles. Buy during dips, not peaks. Watch dollar strength and interest rates. When they fall, metals usually rise. Common scams and how to dodge them. Beware of rare collectible coins. Pushy dealers promising guaranteed returns. MLM-style gold investments. Rule of thumb: if it sounds like a casino, it probably is. Silver's unique advantage for beginners: it's cheaper, more volatile, and used in everything from solar panels to EVs. When demand spikes, silver moves fast. Great for smaller budgets and younger investors. Basically, silver's like gold's chaotic younger sibling with big dreams and ADHD. Mixing metals, finding your balance. A good starting ratio? 70% silver, 30% gold for beginners. So how do you turn this into a full-on wealth building strategy? Act 3, the what now? Resolution plus deeper insight. Connect to long-term wealth and tease last video. From hedge to wealth engine. Start with protection, evolve to strategy. As your income grows, precious metals should become part of your diversified wealth plan. Use gains to invest in real estate, stocks, or even your own business. Because gold isn't the end game, it's a launch pad. The real secret? Time plus strategy. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich for sure. Gold and silver, when paired with smart investing techniques, like the power of compounding, can turn modest investments into massive wealth. You now know how to buy, store, and grow your wealth using gold and silver. But the true key to wealth isn't just what you buy. It's how long you let it grow. And that's where the real magic begins, compounding. Watch my last video on the power of compounding to learn how to make your money work even while you sleep. You've built the foundation. Now, let's build the empire. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon.